Hey guys, welcome back to Nixon Goes Fishing. In today's video we'll be hunting for some resting peacock. So I just spotted one right there, so let's just cast. This is the first time I'm using the chest mount, and this budget set is from this budget rod and reel is from FT. They sell really good and cheap budget things, so check them out. But I just realized that my guides aren't even correctly, so it's just gonna here and gonna reel in. Pop. Bro, why aren't the pickup bass trying to bite? Oh, okay, I got one. Oh, oh. Okay, guys, so I just spotted another one. So let me just try to catch these fish. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, just letting the. Oh, gee, what's going? I got it. Gee, boy, I'm going to shower. Oh yeah, I got it. I just. Oh shit, stuck. Oh, hey guys, gonna. Huh? Bro, then how I let the fish? Yummy, what becomes ends and then go inside ah? Got it. Okay. Wait there. Oh, just gonna bring it up. Okay. Oh. So technique guys. If you guys have this, if you guys want the fish to jump, just put this above the eye. Okay, done. Now all I need is my pliers and pliers. I need my pliers and my. Actually, I don't need. I'm just gonna need my pliers, I guess. Oh shit! How did he jump? Bro, never mind, the technique don't work. Okay, wait. Wow. Bro, can you help me? Sure. Help me record lol. Huh? Help me record. Okay guys, so right here. This is. You need pliers? Yeah. Wait Wow. Body hook a bit. No, body hook both way. Okay. Small one but aggressive I think it's hungry. Okay, one down. Oh my god,
There's so few there's no. Finally man, you need boga?
Yeah, I got.
You take a video of releasing?
Yeah. Come stick. I take it. Okay guys, catch and release. The only way to sustainable fishing. Let's go. Sure. So release, guys. First fish. Side casting. Just casted and then it bit. No. Okay. Okay, so it's gone. First fish of the day, guys. That's a very lucky one. Not gonna lie.